the importance of continuous learning and development. Welcome back to Success Spark Wisdom, your go-to channel for inspiration and personal growth. Today, we're diving into a topic that is crucial for anyone looking to achieve their goals and thrive in a rapidly changing world: the importance of continuous learning and development. In today's fast-paced environment, the landscape of work and life is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, industries transform, and the skills that were once in demand may become obsolete overnight. This is why continuous learning is not just a luxury, it is a necessity. So what exactly do we mean by continuous learning? At its core, it refers to the ongoing, voluntary, and self-motivated pursuit of knowledge for personal or professional development. This can take many forms, from formal education to online courses, from reading books to attending workshops. The key is to remain open to new ideas and experiences. One of the greatest benefits of continuous learning is that it fosters adaptability. In a world where change is the only constant, the ability to adapt is invaluable. By constantly updating our skills and knowledge, we position ourselves to respond effectively to new challenges. This not only enhances our employability, but also boosts our confidence in navigating unfamiliar situations. Moreover, learning continuously can lead to greater job satisfaction. Engaging in professional development can reignite your passion for your work and provide a sense of accomplishment. It allows you to set new goals and strive towards them, keeping your career dynamic and fulfilling. When you invest in your growth, you invest in your happiness. Another significant advantage of continuous learning is the opportunity for networking. By participating in workshops, seminars, or online courses, you meet like-minded individuals who are also eager to grow. These connections can lead to collaborations, mentorship, and even new career opportunities. Building a strong professional network is crucial in today's interconnected world, and continuous learning is a fantastic way to expand your circle. Let's not forget the personal benefits of continuous learning. Engaging in new learning experiences can stimulate our minds and keep us mentally agile. It encourages critical thinking and problem-solving skills, making us more effective in our personal lives as well. Learning something new can be a great way to relieve stress and provide a sense of achievement, which contributes to overall well-being. So how can you incorporate continuous learning into your life? Start by setting aside dedicated time each week for learning. This could be as simple as reading a book, listening to a podcast, or enrolling in an online course. Identify areas where you want to grow, whether it's related to your career or personal interests. Make a plan and hold yourself accountable. Remember, learning doesn't have to be formal. It can happen anywhere, anytime. Engage in conversations with others, seek out new experiences, and challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone. The more you expose yourself to new ideas and perspectives, the more you will grow. In conclusion, the importance of continuous learning and development cannot be overstated. It equips us with the tools to adapt, enhances our job satisfaction, expands our network, and contributes to our personal growth. Embrace the journey of learning, and you will find that it opens doors you never knew existed. Thank you for watching this video on the importance of continuous learning and development. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Success Spark Wisdom for more insights and inspiration. Remember, your journey to success is a continuous one, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.